Alright, so first of all, let's introduce myself. And my name is Ujjwal Zaman. I'm working as a full stack web developer, and currently I have built a new full stack website which is Next.js based, and in backend I have used Node.js, Express.js. And let's first introduce. Let's show the website view. This is the website homepage, and you can see this is the name is Fix My Phone, where a customer can recover or fix their phone by online, and they can schedule an appointment to the service holder, and they can get the service from online. Alright, this is the homepage and the UI of the homepage, and I can see the services and the welcome pages and the numbers and the membership plans, and you can part of the membership, appointment pages, the reviews, latest talk, footer. Alright, so let's log in as customer. You can sign up as a customer. I have already signed up. Now I'm logging. As a customer, I'm going to log in. This is the dashboard page, the customer. You can see in the left sidebar, services, my order, appointment, reviews. This is the review that customer can give reviewed after the mobile is fixed or not. They can see the appointment is scheduled or not, and also they can see orders that they paid or not, and services. Now as a customer, I want to fix my phone. Going to home page, I can get an appointment. The appointment page. Now I can pick this one. I have set a appointment date that I can talk with the technician. Okay. Submitted. The appointment is scheduled, and I will get email with the own information. Now I can see this is my current one. Current I have iPhone scheduled and connection is not working. This is the current requested that I have requested. Alright, and I can see this is another button that get interview. Also I can view, I can edit, I can delete. Now as a customer I can get interview. This is the interview option. I can see meeting link, meeting, typing online, time. Alright. Going back to console. I can see my device is not fixed, my device is not ready, is not made, and the status is scheduled. Now I can assume my interview is finished. Now log in as the admin. Now I'm going to log in as the admin. I have kept the admin password 123456 for the testing purposes. This is the dashboard. Now, in the left sidebar, for the admin portal, I can see the dashboard, management, appointment that currently is scheduled, and customer, the current order that my current order services, blog, and reviews, all the reviews. Now, I want to see what is the current request by customers. The services. Now I can see that as Isabella, she has iPhone, scheduled a interview. The issue is connection issue. Okay, so I can see also appointments, current appointments. I can see this is current appointment is scheduled. Now I have to take a action. Now I can see this is the problem, connection issue, and I can see I know I have talked with it. Now I can see this is the connection customer requested. Now I assume the interview is successfully finished. Now I have to assign a technician. Assigning technician Sarabron. The status is in progress, like I'm working right now. Now I will give a date, estimated completion date, and pickup date. Submitted. Now I can see the status is in progress, As a customer, I can see what is going on my request. Now I am logging as a customer. I can see this is my current issue. This device is not fixed yet. This device is not ready yet, and I have not paid yet. The status is in progress. Now again, I am going back to login as an admin. As an admin, I can see the status is in progress, and I can see take action as a technician. Right now, the technician said she completed the task. Now I can change the status. I can say fixed. Now I can give estimated date, and I can give pickup date. I have selected pickup date. Submitted. Now I can see another button is added here. The button is init payment. By clicking this init payment, I will create another table where I can give all the information, the payment information for against this issue. Now as an admin, I am clicking this one. All the information here. The phone is ready, and I have to give all the information, how much the cost and how much the technician bill, the software amount, parts name and hardware amount. I have filled up all the information. Now I'm submitting to customer. Now refresh the page. I can see the request is currently status changes to payment pending. Now login as a customer. Right now I am logging as a customer. Now I can see this is my current requested for my phone. My phone is damaged. I am payment for pending. I have to pay first. Now the button is ready for payment. After clicking this payment button, I will redirect to payment page. Clicking this page. The payment information. I can see all the information, the hardware bill, the software bill, the parts is used, the technician bill, the text. All the including bill is $420. Now the service request number I have and total amount I have to pay before I get my phone. Now as a customer I'm submitting. I am now redirect to Stripe payment gateway. I can see the left side. I can see all the information that I have. I have to pay the amount of this and the issue and description here. Now I have to pay. With the dummy information I can give 424242. I have filled up all the information. Now I'm going to pay in order this issue. Payment is finished. Now I redirect to successful placement page. Now again redirect to dashboard. Now I can see this is my current issue. My device is fixed. My device is ready and I have paid. Also I can see ready for pickup button. So my phone is ready for pickup. So I can see my order. This is my order. And also I can give review from here. I can give a review from here. Alright. So now I'm logging as an admin. As admin, I can see my order. This is my order. My services. In addition, I can see there's one thing another or blog. I can create a blog as an admin. I can delete, view or create also. From the home page I can see there's lots of blogs. I can read the blog. I can comment the blog. So let's talk about the code. I have pushed all the code in the GitHub. You can find the GitHub link from the description. In the front end, I have used Next.js 13. For data management, I have used Rita RTK query, as well as I have used Axios for asynchronous functionality. UI library, I have used Ant Design, and for form, I have used React Hook for Chart.js and lots of dependencies I have also. For backend, I have used Node.js and Express.js with TypeScript as well as, and I have followed module pattern. And you can see I have used Cloudinary as well as, and I have used JSON Web Token. And for database, I have used PostgreSQL, and for ORM, I have used Prism. So this is for right now. You can jump into my website and you can see the example page, and you can practice this website. And before you start, make sure you have set up all the environment. I will keep the environment dummy environment for API as well as for client. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much.